Hello everyone. Want to make crispy and soft Medu Vada just like in restaurants? Follow this easy recipe with the secret to getting them soft. I already took 2 cups of urad dal and soak it in water for 5 hours. This step is important to get the perfect texture for vadas. After 5 hours, drain all the water completely. This is very important to get a thick and fluffy batter. Now add the urad dal to a mixer. Along with that, add 2 green chilies and 3-inch ginger for extra flavor. Grind it with very little water to get a thick, fluffy batter. It should be lighter and airy. For softer vadas, let the batter rest and ferment for 2 hours. This step is very important for enhance the texture and taste. After fermentation, the batter becomes airy. This is secret to making soft medu vadas. Now let's add flavors to our vada. Chopped onions adds a crunchy texture and enhance the taste. Chopped coriander leaves giving freshness and mild citrusy flavor. Fresh mint leaves adds a refreshing aroma and balance the spices. And salt enhances the flavor. Cumin seeds aids digestion. Curry leaves brings on authentic South Indian flavor. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients into our fermented vada batter. The onions, coriander, mint leaves, curry leaves, cumin seeds, and salt. Mix everything gently with your hands. This helps incorporate air into the batter, making the vadas lightly and fluffy. The batter sounds to be thick and airy, not too watery. If it's too thin, the vadas won't hold their shape. When making medu vada, shaping them correctly is key to getting the perfect texture and look. Many people use paper, plastic bags, or banana leaves to shape vadas easily. Banana leaves have been used for generations in South Indian cooking, not just for serving food but also for shaping vadas. Wet your hands and banana leaf slightly. Take a portion of the batter, place it on the leaf, and gently flatten it. Make a hole in the center to shape it like a traditional medu vada. In kadai, take some oil to deep fry the medu vadas. Check whether the oil is hot or not by dropping small portion of vada into the oil. Carefully lift the vada from the banana leaf and slide it into oil. Add more vadas but don't overcrowd the kadai as this helps in even frying. Let the vadas cook on medium flame. After a minute, gently flip them using a slotted spoon to ensure both sides turn golden brown and crispy. Once the vadas are crispy and golden, take them out and place them on a kitchen tissue to absorb excess oil. Our crispy medu vadas are ready. See the crispiness and fluffiness of the vada. Serve them hot with coconut chutney and tomato chutney. Try this recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you.